Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a text watermark in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add a text watermark. Now I'm going to the view menu option, then click for a master page option. Now open the master page. Now add from text watermark, then click for a insert menu option, then click for draw text box. Now draw text box. Now type from text. Now select from text. Now change the size. Now change the font style. Now for click. Now going to the text field option. Now select from any color. Now click for a text setting option. Now transparency from 50%. Then click for OK. Now click for close the master page option. Then we show add text watermark. Now again text watermark from edit. Now select from view option, then click for master page option. Now rotate the watermark. Now resize the watermark. Now choose from size. That is. Now you can see add text watermark in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.